This gift card through crypto arbitrage opportunity is going to make you a whole lot of money if you are going to follow what I'm about to show you in today's video step by step. So guys, stay tuned. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome. Now, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I would want you to go ahead and join this beautiful family by smashing that subscription button. Yes, I'm talking to you watching this video right now. Go ahead and smash that subscription button. But hey, after you must have smashed that subscription button, I want you to turn on that bell notification beside the subscription button. All right, what the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we drop awesome content just like this one you're watching. Right now, to my wonderful returning subscribers, I want to use this opportunity to say welcome back to this channel. I want to appreciate you always coming back to this channel each time you get notified of a new video, and I want to tell you that I don't take you for granted. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to take you step by step how you can be able to engage in this gift card through crypto arbitrage opportunity and make a whole lot of money for yourself. All right, but before jumping into this video, I want you to do the usual thing. Use 3 seconds of your time to boop the like button of this video in appreciation. Yeah, because I know you are going to get a whole lot of value in today's video. So as I'm counting, go ahead and boop the like button of this video to show appreciation. With all this being said, let's jump straight into this video. Now, in today's arbitrage, we are going to be making use of 3 platforms in today's arbitrage, and the first platform I have on my list is Tbay. All right, so let me quickly log into Tbay so we'll proceed. Now, when you open Tbay, this is the interface you are going to see. Right now, when it comes to selling gift card very fast, Tbay is one of the platforms that you can be able to sell your gift card very fast. All right, and they are reliable. You can also go ahead and make research about Tbay. When it comes to Tbay, you have a whole lot of gift card right here. We have Razer, okay, as you can see it over here. We have Razer, we have Amex, we have Steam, we have Google, right? And then we still have other gift card like Vanilla, Sephora, Mastercard, Apple, and iTunes, and a whole lot of gift card. Right now, but in today's arbitrage, we are going to be making use of Steam gift card. Yes, that is the gift card we are going to be making use of. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to register and become a merchant, so you can be able to create an ad and be able to buy gift card from people, because you are going to be buying gift card from people. So in order to buy gift card from people, you have to create an ad. You have to become a merchant in order to create an ad and appear as this merchant you are seeing right here on the screen, so you can be able to buy people's gift card, then move over to the second platform and be able to sell it and make profit for yourself. Right, so stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to sign up and become a merchant. Like I said earlier, the gift card we are going to be making use of in today's arbitrage is Steam gift card. All right, and one thing about buying Steam gift card is this: when you are buying Steam gift card and you are buying it using USD, and you are about to sell, make sure you sell using USD. Do not buy using USD, and when you want to sell, you will sell using maybe GBP or so. All right, now the Tbay platform is very fast when it comes to selling gift card. Now, every merchant here is always online, and as you can see here, this green dot here shows that this person is online. The same thing is applicable with this person, same thing is applicable with this person, and so whole lot. Right, so let's quickly click on sell. Now, this sell over here means that this merchant is going to buy your gift card from you. It shows that the merchant is buying the gift card from you. All right, so let's click on Steam, because we are going to be using Steam in today's arbitrage. Now, as you can see over here, they are selling, this platform is selling their gift card for 681 naira per dollar. This is the rate they are selling their gift card, 681 naira per dollar. All right, so we are going to proceed by clicking on sell. All right, in order to sell this card. Remember, sell in this platform means you are buying the gift card from someone. Okay, so let's say we are buying $300 worth of Steam gift card. Right, so let's click on sell. Let's go, guys. So right here we're going to type 300. So we assume we'll be buying $300 worth of Steam gift card. Now the rate starts from 5 to 2000 USD, right? For $300 worth of Steam gift card, we are going to be getting this, as you can see over here. We're going to be getting this amount, which is 204,527 naira. So you can pen it down so you can be able to follow. Right now, let's assume that we must have gotten this gift card from this person. So the next thing we are going to do is to proceed, all right, to proceed selling the gift card using the second platform. So stay with me, guys. All right, guys, now this is the second platform where you can come and sell your gift card which you bought from the other platform, which is Tbay, right? So let's say you must have bought your gift card and you are about to sell, but this time around you are actually not in a hurry to sell. You can actually visit other platform and create an ad, then wait on someone to come and choose your offer in order to buy your gift card, and with this you are going to make a lot of profit. But maybe this time around you do not have time, okay, and you really want to sell this gift card as soon as possible so you can be able to go back and repeat the trade. This platform is a very good platform for that. You can actually come here and sell your gift card, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your USDT, and a whole lot here as soon as possible. It's very, very fast. All right, so let's say you've gotten your gift card and you want to sell. You can come over to 𝐑𝐄𝐋𝐀𝐃, and remember, you just want to sell it as soon as possible. You don't want to waste time, so you can come over to 𝐑𝐑𝐄𝐋𝐀𝐃, right? Then click over here, okay, click over here. So once you click here, the next place I want you to click is buy Bitcoin with gift card, right? That's where I want you to click on. So once you click on buy Bitcoin with gift card, this is the interface you are going to see. Okay, now over here I want you to select the type of gift card you want to sell, okay, and before you select that, make sure this is at USD. Okay, remember I said when you buy Steam card using USD and you want to sell, make sure you are still going to sell it using USD. Now this BTC is going to be there because you want to buy Bitcoin using gift card. Okay, now let's click here so we can be able to choose select the gift card we want to sell. You can either scroll, but you can still type the name of the gift card you want to sell here, which is Steam. As you can see over here, Steam just pop out. So we are going to select Steam because that's the gift card we want to sell. Okay, you can choose any merchant over here which you can sell, but you can choose from will I say the likes, and then the rates, and the how many trades the person must have done. Okay, but we can actually choose anyone here in order to sell the gift card. So let's click on buy over here. So remember, the gift card we are to sell is $300 worth of gift card, so we are going to type in 300 right inside this box. Okay, now for $300 worth of gift card, this is the Bitcoin we are going to be getting over here. This is the Bitcoin we are going to be getting. Now I'm going to give you a bonus tip before you can be able to engage in selling this 300 gift card and getting this amount of Bitcoin. I want you to go to this third platform and check if you are to sell this gift card, whether you are going to be making profit or not, before you can be able to engage or proceed in selling this gift card. Okay, so we are going to copy this Bitcoin that we are going to get if we are to sell this $300 worth of Steam gift card. So right now we are going to move over to the last platform. That is where you are going to check if you are going to be making profit or not. Stay tuned with me, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, now the third platform we are going to be making in today's arbitrage is Binance. Everyone knows Binance, right? Now the next place I want you to go to is over here, which is the P2P trade. Okay, so we're going to click on P2P trade. Okay, and then we are going to be making use of BTC. Okay, yes, we are going to be making use of BTC over here, so you're going to select BTC. Okay, so this time around, you know, we are going to be selling. Okay, so we are going to change this over here to sell. Okay, click on sell, and then we are going to choose a random merchant in order to sell our BTC. Remember, you are checking to know if you are going to make profits before you can proceed selling your $300 worth of Steam gift card in 𝐶𝐿 platform. So right inside this place, we are going to paste the Bitcoin we are going to be getting from there. Okay, and know if it's going to be, if you are going to be making profit. Now for this Bitcoin here, this is the amount we are going to be making if we are to sell the $300 worth of gift card. Now remember how much we bought that gift card in the first platform, which is Tbay, is 204,527, and if we are to sell this gift card now, we are going to be making this amount. Now as you can see, this is profitable. Okay, so you can proceed selling the $300 worth of Steam gift card in 𝐶𝐿. So once you must have sold it, this is the amount of Bitcoin you are going to be getting if you are to sell the $300 worth of Steam gift card in 𝐶𝐿. All right, now remember when we wanted to buy the Steam gift card from the first platform, which is Tbay, we got the $300 Steam gift card for 204,527, and after we must have sold the Steam gift card in 𝐶𝐿 platform, this is the Bitcoin we are going to be getting, and this is the amount we are going to be getting if we are to transfer the Bitcoin we got from the 𝐶𝐿 over to Binance. All right, so once you must have transferred the Bitcoin you got from 𝐶𝐿 over to Binance and you want to sell it, this is the amount you are going to be getting, which is 227,064 naira. Okay, that is the amount you are going to be. So we are going to be minusing the capital, which is the 204,527, from this amount we are getting here to see how much we've made in this trade. So let's go, guys. Now how much we are going to get in Binance after selling the Bitcoin is 227.64 naira. Then we are going to minus our capital, which is 204,527. So we are going to be making a whooping 22,500 naira in one trade. Okay, 22,500 naira in just one trade. Now remember, this arbitrage is unlimited, and when I say unlimited, it means you can do it repeatedly. All right, now it depends as fast you can be able to sell. Okay, you can do it 5 times, 6 times. It depends on how fast you are able to sell, you are able to buy and sell this gift card. All right, now let's proceed to the way you can be able to register and become a merchant, and I'm going to give you a bonus tip that is going to enable you to appear at the top in the Tbay platform. And remember, when you appear at the top, that is going to give you high chance of people choosing you to transact with. All right, so let's go back, guys. Stay with me. Alright guys, now to become a merchant here, I want you to do something. I want you to click over here, then chat the support or the customer care or whatever, chat them up and send them a request that you would want to become a merchant. I think they are going to charge you maybe $50 or so. I don't know the exact amount it is right now. All right, they're going to get back to you, give you a requirement of becoming a merchant. All right, that's so simple. It's very, very simple. And then I said I'm going to give you a bonus tip that is going to enable you to be at the top, just like this merchant you are looking at right now. Okay, right now. So what you are going to do is this: when you look at the price or the amount which they are offering, you will discover that they are offering 681 naira per dollar, and the same thing is applicable with this second person, and the same thing is applicable with this second person. And now what you are going to do differently to be the #1 merchant in this platform is this: as all of them are offering 681 naira per dollar, I would want you to offer $690. 90 naira per dollar. All right, and if you can be able to increase your offer, that is going to enable you to appear at the top, and it will also enable you to buy this gift card very fast. Okay, very fast. So that is it, guys. That is all I have for you in today's video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I will be there to reply all your question. If there is any place that is confusing you, let me know in the comment section. I will be there to clear you. All right, in case you would want to learn how to make money online, do well to join this beautiful family by smashing the subscription button. All right, yes, go ahead and smash the subscription button. I want you to do something for me. After smashing the subscription button, do well to click that bell notification beside the subscription button. What the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we drop awesome content just like this one you watched. All right, now before ending this video, I want you to use 3 seconds of your time to boop the like button of this video to show appreciation. I told you earlier you're going to get a whole lot of value in today's video. All right, so do well to appreciate the value you just got from today's video by smashing the like button to show appreciation. If you want to learn more ways on how you can be able to make more money online, do well to click this video you are seeing right now on the screen, and I will see you there. Peace.